To restore your S24 Ultra to its factory default, we need to start by opening the settings, and in the settings, scroll all the way down until you see where it says accounts and backup. In here, you're going to select the manage accounts option, and you just need to remove all of your Google and Samsung accounts off of the phone. If you don't do this, then after the factory reset, your phone is going to be locked with your Google account, which means if you sell the phone, the new owner can't use it. So once you've removed all of your accounts, we then need to connect our S24 Ultra to either a Windows or Mac computer, another Android phone, or an iPhone or iPad. Connecting to the charging brick won't work. We now need to do the following key combination. So we're just going to wake the screen. So just click the power button to wake the screen. Now press and hold power and volume down and keep these two held down until the screen goes black. So we'll just give it a couple of seconds here. And now release from both buttons. Now press and hold power and volume up and keep these two held down until you see the Samsung logo. Once we see the Samsung logo, we can release from both buttons. So any second now, we see the Samsung, so release from both buttons, and it will take you into the Android recovery. So in this menu, the touchscreen is disabled, and so we need to use the volume buttons to navigate the menu, and we're going to use the power button to select. So click volume down until you see wipe data/factory reset, and click the power button to select this option. Then click volume down and click the power button to do the factory data reset. I won't do this personally, but if you do, you'll be brought to the home screen of Android Recovery. Just wait 2 seconds and then click the power button to reboot the system, and it will do a factory reset. If you couldn't enter this menu, just swap out the charging cable and press the buttons at the exact same time as I do, so you may need to rewind the video. Hope this helps.